All right, hopefully you've gone to tencents.com.au. If you have an account with us, you'll have a username and password, and the best thing to do is to find it up the top here. I've put mine in before and have those details saved, but you'd put your username and password at the top here and click login. It's very quick to log in, and you'll know you're logged in because at the top here you'll see my account. I'm going to jump straight down here to my favorites. I have a favorites list here of things that I will buy quite often. Anything that I've ordered before that I've favorited, I can add to this list. So I'm going to add a couple of these microfiber cloths to my list. I'm going to add 4 to that. And then some bathroom cleaner as well, one of those. I'm going to click add to cart. And I've got 5 items, which is the 4 cloths and the cleaner in my cart. I can see at the top here. Then I've thought I need some gloves too, but not these particular ones. So I'm going to drill into those gloves and go to all gloves here in the product section. I'm actually after some silver lined gloves. So I'm going to go and find some that I need. And one of the things we can do here is change our views up the top here. Very handy. In fact, I realize I'm going to have to order a lot of these medium ones, so I'm going to make that a favorite of mine by clicking on the little star, and I'm going to add 4 pairs of these in. And I'm going to go click add to cart. Again, if I go to my account and favorites, I'll see those new gloves in this list as well, right there. Okay, at any time once your cart is full, and look, you can go back to the home page, you can go and find any other product you like. Maybe you need some toilet paper. I'm going to add some jumbo roll to this as well. I'm going to add that to my cart. At any time, I can go to these 10 items at the top and you'll see a drop down. Now at this point, I can just ask for this to be a quote. I can adjust the levels here. I can delete them altogether. Maybe I don't need as many cloths now, so I'm going to change. I could just change those if I wanted, the quantities. But at this point in time, I'm ready to check out. If you've got an account with us, you'll be able to put in all your details, should be that we have on file for you should be here. You might have your own purchase order here, and this purchase order for us is GT4667. That's for us to know when we get it. For you as the customer, sorry. I'm going to click continue here. Now, depending on your freight arrangement, you'll have to perhaps add some shipping and freight. In my account, in my case, because I'm local and have an account, I don't have any freight, so I'm going to click freight no cost. You have to click whatever the freight is. Then you will choose how you'd like to pay for it. I'm going to pick it up from the showroom tomorrow. I'll click continue. Again, it gives me a summary of my whole order, everything that's in it, and when I'm ready, I'm going to click place order. If I want to, I can print myself a completion. I will print myself a copy of this order. I'll also get this by email, and again, we're confirming everything in that order. Hope that's of help. That's how easy it is to order